Hey, it's Pampered Chef MOB here getting a quick dinner prepped and ready. Actually cooked, I suppose, because I'm doing a bruschetta pasta. So I can take some with me and Rich can have some when he gets home for dinner with some chicken sausage. So right here, I've got 3 tomatoes in the manual food processor. Do you not love that? Amazing. Now I'm gonna take 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget, with the skin on. How do you not love this garlic press? Just scoop that out, see? Don't have to touch it. Since I don't have fresh basil, we're gonna omit it because dry basil is just not the same. I'm gonna pump this up a little bit more. And that is all good to go. Now I'm gonna get our pasta. 16 minutes in the RockCrok in the microwave with a carton of chicken broth. Show you there. That perfectly done pasta. And then what happens, guys? The tomatoes go on top. And we call it served. Add however you want to it, whatever you want to it, excuse me. Spinach, some other vegetables, zucchini, you know I love it with the zoodles. I'm gonna let this sit a little bit. Try not to get stuff over my work clothes. Bad idea. Bad form. Okay. Grate some cheese right over it. Again. All right, maybe I'll throw a little dry basil in there because why not? And that's it. I'm gonna put mine in here halfway. I'm gonna fill it up. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of extra cheese in the top of my mason jar. And I'm gonna throw it in my little bag and go to work. And then I will put the cover on this, put it in the fridge, and Rich will have his dinner. Easy peasy, right? Weekday dinner is done in 20 minutes.